and the Indian Chess Federation President, Mr. Nitin Naran. The Secretary, the dynamic, young gun from All India Chess Federation, Mr. Devbhai Patel. We have the Treasurer of All India Chess Federation, Mr. Dharmendra Kumar, who was also the Deputy Chief Officer over here. A huge round of applause because we had a fantastic, smooth tournament for the organizing secretary, Mr. Bhavesh Bhai Patel. And the most technical one, we had no claims, no protests, and the most smooth tournament just because of the chief arbiter from Armenia, Mr. Ashok, a huge round of applause. Now I request Mr. Devbhai Patel and Mr. Nitin Naran to felicitate our Chief Minister and welcome him over here. I request for with the memento.
Oh, Mitra. Oi! Oi, blue shirt. Let's have a video.
I also request Devbhai to welcome the World FIDE President, Mr. R.K.T. Dvorkovich, along with Mr. Nitin Naran. I would request Mr. Devbhai Patel again and Mr. Dharmendra Kumar to felicitate the Indian Chess Federation President, Mr. Nitin Naran. This time there was a very special chess kit design which is a souvenir to all of you has been given. We would also like our dignitaries to know and have the chess kit because it's a kind of a promotion. So I would request Mr. Bhavesh Bhai Patel to give away the chess kits to the dignitaries on the dais, right from starting Mr. Bhupendra Bhai Patel. This is a token of gesture which has a chess kit and it's a perfect kit for a chess player. I would request him to give it present to Mr. R.K.T. Dvorkovich, Mr. Nitin Naran, Devbhai Patel, Mr. Ashok, and Mr. Dharmendra Kumar. Thank you so much. Sir, I would proud to let you know that there are 230 players from 46 countries participating over here. And just to welcome all of you, I would request Mr. Nitin Naran, the President of All India Chess Federation, to give a welcome speech, please.
Honorable Chief Minister Shri Bhupendra Patel ji, President Akari, my colleague in the Chess Federation, Secretary Dev Patel, Treasurer Dharmendra Bhai, the Organizing Secretary Bhavesh Patel ji, and the Chief Arbiter. Players, officials, and friends from media, good evening everyone. It gives me immense pride and pleasure that I stand in front of you today at the closing ceremony of World Junior Chess Championship. Not because of the fact, just because of the fact that it was hosted in Gujarat in India, but also because of the fact that it was hosted in one of the finest created infrastructure landmarks in the country, Gift City, envisioned by our Honorable Prime Minister and beautifully led and executed by the Honorable Chief Minister. Just like the Gift City that we see around us, India has seen a transformation in the last decade when it comes to the sports ecosystem. May it be the Khelo India initiative, the Target Olympic Podium Scheme, the Government of India, led by the Honorable Prime Minister, has left no stone unturned to catalyze the sporting ecosystem of the nation and make sure that the grassroots talent is identified and brought to the national level, and that they're able to represent us and win medals for us at the global stage. The Government of India has not just helped in identification of talent, but also supported them financially, which was something that was lacking prior to 2014. And the kind of player experience that has been created amongst all sportsmen in all games is something that the Government of India deserves all appreciation for. I would also like to congratulate the hosts of the tournament, the Gujarat Chess Association. They have done a beautiful work in executing the event the way it will look like. It's a global standard event that has come across in the last few weeks that we've seen in Gujarat. Also, I would like to thank and congratulate the Government of Gujarat for wholeheartedly supporting, sir, the hosting of this tournament in this beautiful state of Gujarat. Taking a leaf from what the Government of India has been doing, All India Chess Federation, sir, came out with an action plan last month, and we are very proud to say that we are one of the few federations that have come out with supporting the player at the national level. Sir, in our 7 categories of tournament that we have, for open and women, 14 categories in all, the Chess Federation has decided to sign contracts with the players who win national level events, ranging from 20,000 rupees a month to 75,000 rupees a month for 2 years, which is also the top 10 players for FIDE-rated top 10 players, President Akari. The federation has come out with a scheme for facilitating them with 2.5 million Indian national rupees and 1.25 million Indian national rupees for the top 10 players based on their ranking, which in itself is a... And not to forget that we are the first federation that has now introduced via these state associations that we will also be giving prize money to the state level winners, so that we are encouraging the grassroots level chess. Our vision of the federation is to make sure that we have Har Ghar Chess, Ghar Ghar Chess. That means in English that every household should have chess and every household should be playing chess in the country. That's our vision for the grassroots. I won't take much of the time. I would congratulate all the players who have won and the ones who have learned, because I always believe that either you win or you learn. You never lose in life. So take this as an opportunity of learning and gaining exposure. I congratulate all of you. I thank the organizers for the commendable work that they've done. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. That was quite informative. And now, we would love to listen from the head of our family, as in chess players, who's been the president and running around. He just arrived today morning at 5 a.m. just to be for this function. So let me welcome the president of the World Chess Federation, Mr. Arkady Dudkovich, for his speech.
Thank you for the warm welcome. Your Excellency, Chief Minister, President of All India Chess Federation, dear friends and colleagues, dear players, everyone who enjoyed playing, competing here and organizing the event over the last few days. We are really grateful and I'm happy to say that on behalf of FIDE to the organizers, to Gujarat State, to All Indian Chess Federation, to everyone who was involved in making this possible. It is very special that this tournament is happening in the year of our 100-year anniversary of FIDE. So at this moment, it is my particular honor and pleasure to congratulate the winners of us, Divya Desmukh and Nurbeek Tazabek, with great victories at FIDE World Junior Chess Championships. This is a sign that you are on the right track. It's very likely that you're going to compete in your national teams, the Olympiad in Budapest. competing here over the last few days will defend the national colors very soon at all kinds of events. And even if you couldn't win this time, couldn't win gold this time, you are talented, you are hardworking, you put a lot of effort into improving your game, and I'm sure that success will come to you as well. We are always happy to come back to India for all kinds of tournaments. I'm sure that next year we will be here for great events as well. Maybe even this year we will see. And it is our pleasure to meet again with our Indian friends, and the hospitality provided to everyone at the tournaments here is amazing. Lots of photos being taken, of course, but also lots of memories you're going to take back home. And hopefully you made some new friendships here, and chess friendships stay for forever, at least for a very long time. So again, congratulations with a great game. Against Sonasovas, good luck in all your endeavors.
Thank you so much, sir. The gift which you have got for the Chief Minister, which is a special VIP gift.
Yes, sorry, I missed one of the most important parts. We have prepared special gifts on the occasion of our 100-year anniversary to the most honorable guests of the ceremony. The first gold medal, 100-year anniversary medal, goes to the His Excellency Chief Minister. And to acknowledge the support that has been provided, enormous support that has been provided by All Indian Chess Federation on many occasions, I would like to honor the president of AICF with the gold medal for 100-year anniversary.
Thank you so much. So now I would take 1 minute out of my minute to minute and say that we are going to hear from the person who's been very instrumental in developing the state of Gujarat, who has an unconditional support, who always gives unconditional support for chess and all the sports. There are huge sporting events happening over here in Gujarat. Let me just give you one statistic that our beloved Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi, started Khel Mahakumbh, and at that point of time, there were total 30 lakh participants participating in that event. Today, with Bhupendra Bhai being the Chief Minister and the promotion happening at the highest level, the figure has gone more than 1.5 crores, which is a huge in the sports community. So we would all love to hear from our beloved Chief Minister, Shri Bhupendra Bhai Patel.
हिंदी से आकर तो नहीं जवाब FIDE वर्ल्ड जूनियर चेस चैंपियनशिप 2024 के पुरस्कार वितरण समारोह में मेरे साथ मंच पर उपस्थित FIDE के अध्यक्ष श्री कोवची आरकेडी, ऑल इंडिया चेस फेडरेशन के अध्यक्ष श्री नितिन गर्ग, ऑल इंडिया चेस फेडरेशन के सेक्रेटरी एवं गुजरात चेस एसोसिएशन के अध्यक्ष श्री देव पटेल, डेप्यूटी चीफ आर्बिटर श्री धर्मेंद्र कुमार, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सेक्रेटरी श्री भावेश पटेल, चीफ आर्बिटर श्री अशोक वर्वर्धन, आमंत्रित सभी महानुभाव, सभी सहभागी खिलाड़ियों, प्रेस मीडिया के मित्र, आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही गर्व की बात है कि फीडे वर्ल्ड जूनियर चेस चैंपियनशिप जैसा प्रतिष्ठित टूर्नामेंट प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र भाई के ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट गिफ्ट सिटी में आयोजित किया गया है। मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि आज से लगभग 14 साल पहले गुजरात की स्थापना के स्वर्णिम जयंती के अवसर पर आदरणीय मोदी जी जब गुजरात के मुख्यमंत्री थे, तब उन्होंने गुजरात स्वर्णिम चेस महोत्सव का आयोजन किया था और आज उन्हीं की प्रेरणा से भारत की आजादी के अमृत काल में गुजरात में फीडे वर्ल्ड जूनियर चेस चैंपियनशिप का आयोजन हुआ है। इस सफल आयोजन के लिए मैं गुजरात स्टेट चेस एसोसिएशन और स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ गुजरात दोनों को बहुत बधाई देता हूं। साथियों, प्रत्येक टूर्नामेंट हमें यह संदेश देता है कि हम जब साथ में होते हैं तभी हम सबसे मजबूत होते हैं। जब हम साथ होते हैं तभी हम सबसे बेहतर होते हैं और यहाँ भी यही भावना मैं देख रहा हूं। इन्हीं खूबियों के कारण ये जरूरी है कि हर देश और हर राज्य को खेल को प्रोत्साहित करे और जरूरी स्पोर्ट्स इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में इन्वेस्टमेंट करे। आज के इस इंपॉर्टेंट इवेंट में मुझे ये कहते हुए गर्व होता है कि गुजरात पिछले 1.5 दशक से ऐसे ही स्पोर्ट्स ड्राइव को लेकर आगे बढ़ रहा है। हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जब गुजरात के मुख्यमंत्री थे तब उन्होंने गुजरात में खेल महाकुंभ की शुरुआत की, जिससे राज्य में खेल प्रतिभाओं को निखरने का मंच मिला। खेल महाकुंभ की तर्ज पर ही प्रधानमंत्री जी ने राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर खेलो इंडिया अभियान को शुरू किया है, जो देश भर के काफी सफल रहा है। प्रधानमंत्री जी के प्रयासों के कारण आज देश में स्पोर्ट्स सेक्टर में कई बड़े बदलाव हुए हैं। खिलाड़ियों को अपने खेल को निखारने के लिए मंच और विभिन्न सुविधाओं को लेकर उनके लिए बेहतर स्पोर्ट्स इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर खड़ा करने तक हर स्तर पर काफी सराहनीय काम हुए हैं। इतना ही नहीं, आज भारत ओलंपिक, पैरालंपिक और डेफलिंग में अब तक का सर्वश्रेष्ठ प्रदर्शन कर रहा है। बीते वर्षों में हमने उन खेलों में भी कीर्तिमान रचे हैं जिसमें हम कभी जीत भी हासिल नहीं कर पाए थे। फिर चाहे फील्ड में खेले जाने वाले स्पोर्ट हो या फिर जैसे चेस जैसे माइंड से खेले जाने वाले स्पोर्ट्स हो। चेस में तो भारत ने विश्वानंद, प्रज्ञानंद, गुकेश जैसे विश्व स्तरीय खिलाड़ियों दिए हैं जिन्होंने वर्ल्ड लेवल पर भारत को गौरवान्वित किया है। चेस के खेल के पीछे छिपी भावना और उसके नियमों के मायने बहुत गहरे होते हैं। इस गेम में हर मोहरे की एक अपनी यूनिक स्ट्रेंथ होती है। अगर एक मोहरा को लेकर एक सही चाल चल दी जाए तो वो पूरा गेम पलट सकता है। अभी बताया गया कि हर घर चेस और हर घर में चेस खेलने वाला मिल जाएगा। पॉलिटिक्स में तो इसका असर नहीं होगा ना। तब कहते हैं कि भाई ये चेस वाला गेम पॉलिटिक्स में है। इस कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित चेस के खिलाड़ी वर्ल्ड लेवल का चेस खेलने जानते हैं। मेरा मानना है कि अपनी एक्सपर्टाइज और एक्सपीरियंस से इस खेल में रुचि रखने वाले खिलाड़ियों को काफी लाभ मिल सकता है। इसलिए मैं आज सभी से यह अनुरोध करता हूं कि डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म का उपयोग कर आप अपनी स्थायी भाषा में खिलाड़ियों को अपने ज्ञान और कौशल्य को साझा करें। साथियों, मुझे यह बताया गया है कि इस चैंपियनशिप इवेंट में 46 कंट्रीज के 250 से अधिक खिलाड़ियों ने भाग लिया है। आप सभी खिलाड़ियों जब चेस बोर्ड के सामने होते हैं तो केवल अपनी जीत के लिए नहीं बल्कि अपने देश के लिए खेलते हैं। आज जिन देशों के खिलाड़ियों ने जीत हासिल की है उन्हें मैं बहुत बधाई और शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। मेरा मानना है कि वैसे तो खेलों में कोई हारने वाला नहीं होता है, केवल वर्तमान के विजेता और भविष्य के विजेता होते हैं। अपने इस विचार के साथ यहाँ उपस्थित सभी विजेता टीम और खिलाड़ियों को उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करते हुए मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम देता हूँ। भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम, जय जगन्नाथ।
Thank you so much. The speech is always known for a lot of, it's quite informative and the sense of humor is at its best. So thank you so much for that speech. Now, as we move towards the prize distribution function, let's start that with the anthem of FIDE. So FIDE has developed this anthem and let's all raise for the FIDE anthem. Thank you so much. As we are the host nation and before starting the prize distribution ceremony officially, we would like to raise for the Indian anthem, please.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you so much. Let's start with the most awaiting ceremony for the players. One request to all of you that these are the best world top 10 players. So when they come on the stage, please applaud at the max. Let's start with the World Junior for girls. The 10th position goes to Norman Senia from FIDE, scored 7 points. She gets a trophy. Is Norman here? And I'll request Mr. Dharmendra Kumar and Mr. Ashok to give away the 10th prize, please. The 9th position is the Women International Master Sofia Rizova from Switzerland, scoring 7 points. That's the trophy. I would request again Mr. Ashok and Dharmendra Kumar to give away the prize. The 8th position, sir, as it's our Prime Minister's Dream Beti Padhao project, a lot of Indian girls who come in the top 10. So the 8th position is Women International Master Mrudul Dehankar, scored 7.5 points, plus INA. Thank you so much. The 6th position is Abdinova Nazmin from Azerbaijan, and she scored 7.5 points. That's a trophy. I would request Mr. and Bharat Press to come forward and give over this prize, please. The 5th position is the Women's Grandmaster from India, Rakshita Ravi, and she gets a trophy as well. I request Mr. Narayanji and Bharat Bhai to give over this prize, please. I think she's not here. The 4th position goes to Women's FIDE Master Shubhi Gupta, scored 8 points. She gets a trophy. Again, I request Bharat Ji and Nitin Narayanji to give over this prize, please. Thank you. The top 3 will declare later. We go on to the men open section. The 10th position and only Indian in the list, Grandmaster Pranav Anand, for 7.5 points with the trophy. I request Mr. Deva Patel and Aditya Patel to please come forward and give away the prize. I request the women players to please go down and later come on for the picture.
सेंटर में आ जाओ.
The 9th position is International Master Daniel Prison from Philippines, who scored 7.5 points and gets the trophy. I'll again request Grace, I think you can give away the prize. The 8th position is International Master Vivek McCormick from FIDE, scored 7.5 points, gets the trophy. Here? I don't think so. Let's go to the 6th position. Is Grandmaster Grebdev Alexei, scored 7.5 points from India scored 7.5 points. And again, request Mr. Hardik and Mr. Dev to give away the prize, please.
प्राइस तो लेते जाओ.
Thank you. Thank you. I would ask now Nijit Narangi and Bhavesh Patel to give away the 5th prize. International Master Tobias Kolle from Germany, scoring 8 points and a trophy.
तो जो स्कूलों का पापा आ गया.
The 4th position is Grandmaster Manikon Derpian from Armenia, scoring 8 points, wins the trophy. I hope all the prize winners really likes the trophies. Before going to the top 3 prizes, we will have a photo there.
साइड प्लीज. भाई.
Thank you. So before going to the top 3 prizes, I would like to thank our sponsors, Gift City House, Gift City Club as a venue partner, IMARC for branding, Kaushik Outdoors, Sarangam Photography, Just Therapy, GSC Bank and EDC Bank. Thank you all for your support. Now let's go to the top 3 prizes. In the female, the 3rd position, the 2nd runner-up is Women's International Master Ayan Holdavia from Azerbaijan, scores 8.5 points. I request our University Minister and
भाई ब्लैक शर्ट. प्लीज.
and also give away the bronze medal. Please, I will be able to please. The second runners up, a huge round of applause for her. The runners up is Women's International Master Mariam Miktan from Armenia, scoring 9.5 points with 750 euros.
ला यार तो मैं आउट नहीं यार. अरे मैं नीचे उतार.
She is a lucky one because the 7th number from girls is Women's FIDE Master Rindiavi, scoring 7.5 points, gets a trophy.
ओ भाई ब्लैक ब्लेजर. ओ वડીલ તમને બોલાવો તો આવું ના હોય. નીચે બેહીને જીવો તમારે જઈ લેવું.
And the champion of champions, the World Junior Champion 2024 for in the female section is International Master Divya Deshmukh from India.
Excuse me. Hello.
a quick podium picture, please.
Please sit down. Please. Hey, photo. Hello, photographer, please, side में.
भाई फोटोग्राफर हेलो स्टिल हेलो ब्लू
पाछળ जो બીજા લોકો હોય છે, પ્લીઝ. છે યાર.
ઓ મિત્ર તમે અહીંયા આવી જાઓ નહીં આવે
National anthem of India. Let's play for the Indian national anthem for the gold medalist, India.
ओ भाई ब्लैक शर्ट हेलो भाई कहाँ घूम रहे हो? अरे भाई नीचे बैसे जाओ
Moving towards the open section. The third position, the second runner is Grandmaster Luka Bucevic from Serbia, winning 1,000 euros. I request you to come to the dais, please.
બસ ભાઈ હવે આવી જાવ તો બીજા પાછળ લઈ પ્લીઝ. ચલો. તમારું પતિ જગ્યા જો.
The runner-up for Senior World Junior Open Chess Championship 2024 is Grandmaster Amin Ohanian from Armenia for 8.5 pounds, 20,000 euros. And the champion for 3-day World Junior Open Chess Championship 2024 is International Master Kazibek Nogabek from Kazakhstan, scoring 8.5 pounds and 3,000 euros. Thank you. And lastly, I request Mr. Leo Patel to give a gratitude speech. Mr. Leo Patel. Mr. Leo Patel to give a gratitude speech.
बस હવે તરત આવી જાઓ નીચે દોસ્તો પાછળથી હવે શરૂ કરીએ અને કિરણો તમારો પસાર થશે હા થેન્ક યુ થેન્ક યુ સર
Can I call the first three girls on the stage? Divya, Marion and Aya, just to have a picture together with them, please.
થોડોક ટાઈમ આપી દો હજી બધું તમારા વારે
ઉત્સાહી ઉભા ના થતા
જલ્દી ખસી જાય ને એટલે બીજું કંઈ નહીં
હા પછી બેસે
હા બેસો તમારા ફોટા લઈ લો
પછી તો તરફ
હા ઓકે ડન ડન ડન
દેરીના ટ્રાન્સફર દેવું સારા છે
લઈ લો ફટાફટ પ્લીઝ હવે બેસો બેસો તમે મોટા ભાઈ બેસો પ્લીઝ પ્લીઝ હા બસ નો પ્રોબ્લેમ 2 મિનિટ્સ હા ઓકે ડન
Thank you. I would request Mr. Leo Patel to just give a word of thanks for the gratitude speech. Thank you. Namaste, hello everyone. Thank you all for joining us for this ceremony. I'm sure the tournament must have been a valuable experience for everyone, especially the players. Whether you are taking home a trophy or valuable experience, just by you participating in this tournament, it's a testament to your hard work and dedication to chess. So you are all champions, and I'm sure we'll all see you again here. Thank you for today for letting us host this tournament here in the beautiful capital of Gujarat in Gift City. As Nitin ji said, it's Prime Minister's dream project, and to make it one of the most developed areas and progressed areas in the country. And we are happy that you all came here and supported that dream, and we were able to host you and give you the hospitality and the experience of our beautiful capital and our culture. I'd also like to acknowledge that it's Fide's 100 years coming up, so it's a proud moment to host the World Junior in that year and have the Fide president with us here today. And of course, I'd like to acknowledge the government of Gujarat who has supported this event tremendously and given everything they can for the development of all sports in the country. Bhupendra sir, thank you. I'd also like to acknowledge all the volunteers, arbiters, fair play experts, and everyone in the staff, the organizing committee, and people from the media team, everyone who came here and make this event a successful and put their hard work and sweat into it so that our players got the best experience that they can. So thank you everyone, and we really appreciate having you here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and we conclude over here.